Keep it on the low, keep it on the low. Cause you know this ain't no love. I want you to bonafide. Girl, you got me waking up confused, lost in time. Every moment tastes like summer. Can never get enough. Summer sugar kisses left behind.
Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. We haven't spoken since last time I posted. I think last time we spoke I was at church witnessing 3 water baptism, which was so emotional for me. I just love seeing people making that grand gesture, public declaration to follow Christ. It's a beautiful, beautiful moment, and it kind of took me back to 2016 when I got baptized. I was a wreck that day. I was just like so happy, so emotional, but good emotion. So today is a bit slow day. I'm currently uploading a vlog, so by the time you're seeing this vlog in which I'm talking right now, you would have seen the previous vlog, which is what I'm posting at the moment. On my schedule after I post, I am going to create some TikTok content because I'm trying to be more vocal. Is that what it is? Anyway, I'm trying to speak more in my like short form content because I've gotten a lot of practice, especially when it comes to speaking in front of the camera on my YouTube vlog. So I really want to tap into my short form content. I post a lot on, not a lot on TikTok, but the content that I post are typically quiet content. I would say, like, I don't speak very much, so I'm creating a lot of lifestyle vlogs similar to my long form vlogs on YouTube, but I'm making them TikTok friendly with voiceover. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll be doing some batch content, and then today at 3:30 I have a massage at the same Luxe bar that we went last week to get our nails done. And I remember I was saying, oh, I don't think I'm gonna get gel polish because I'm on a health journey, but the color that I wanted, if you've taken the quiz on my last vlog, you would know the color. So the color that I previously got, I really liked it. It's very natural, very similar to my the color of my nail bed. So unfortunately they didn't have it in natural polish, they only had it in gel, and I really liked it. So far my nails have been holding up. There's like minimal cracks on the polish. Maybe in like a week or two I'll probably go back and do another refill. And I'm also gonna be watching part 2 of Bridgerton season 4. So girl, I am in for a treat. I believe I still have 1 hour and 24 minutes until it's uploaded. So in the meantime, I'm going to watch part 2 of season 4 of Bridgerton. Time for lunch. Girl, I didn't even cook the bok choy. It's because whenever I cook them, they get soggy very quickly and I don't like the taste, so I just blanch them. So hopefully they taste alright. So basically it's just ramen with some soft tofu and then some bok choy. So I just got here. I'm not sure if I can film the massage, but I'll ask, because last time the girl that did my nails, she was so kind. She even gave me a little phone tripod so I could get different angles, and plus it might be a little bit awkward since I'm getting a full body massage, so we'll see. I'm about to head inside. And on a side note, oh my goodness, Bridgerton part 2, so good, so good. I still need to catch up on the last episode of season 4. I can't, it's so good. Oh my god, no, Shonda Rhimes, she put her foot into season 4 because it's so good. But anyway, I don't want to keep chatting, and yeah, we'll catch up in a bit.
No surprise, it's you. Yeah. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The finest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. 'Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The finest of them is you. My love, my love, my love.
Oh, that felt so good. I wish I could have like massages every minute of every day. It felt so good, so relaxing, and I was fighting the urge not to sleep. I have no energy to do anything else, so I'm just gonna head home, finish Bridgerton, and then that's it. so sorry. Tomorrow I have something exciting planned. I'm going to eat sushi. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi, how are you? I'm about to get ready to go to Drunken Dragon. Remember the restaurant we went to, when was it, 2 vlogs ago? They had like an all-you-can-eat menu. So I'm going tonight for the regular menu. And I'm super excited because last time I went was 2024. Right before I went to Italy, I took my mother there for Mother's Day. And we're going there tonight for some sushi because I've been craving it for the past month. I've already picked out my clothes. I'm gonna get dressed because we have to leave at 4. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna get dressed.
You breeze in the morning. Every step is so golden. Oh yeah, breathing you slowly. I never thought you would open up for me. I promise I will give you the love that you want. Can you tell me the truth? 'Cause I'm longing for you.
Okay, I just finished my makeup. I did a little French twist updo and I added like a brooch. It's for clothing because I don't have any hair accessories, so I kind of just thought it was cute. And now for my coat, I'm going to wear this coat. It's oversized, perfect. And that's the outfit.
Girl, I need to know what's on your mind. There's no reason to choose, 'cause I'm falling for you, girl. Only gets better when you're pouring down on me. Oh, ooh, whoa. I always dream about you. Don't worry about the where to, now or never. We can start again. Just wanted you to be mine. Why don't you turn around and tell me now? Oh yeah, I promise I can give you the love that you want. Can you tell me the truth? 'Cause I'm longing for you, girl. I need to know what's on your mind. There's no reason to choose, 'cause I'm falling for you, girl. Only gets better when you're pouring down on me.
Bon, on est même les papilles, yeah. Jesus, forgive you. Forgive her, please.
'Cause I'm longing for you, girl. I need to know what's on your mind. There's no reason to choose, 'cause I'm falling for you, girl. Only gets better when you're pouring down on me. Oh, ooh, whoa. I always dream about you. Don't worry about the where to, now or never. We can start again. Just wanted you to be mine. Why don't you turn around and tell me now? Oh yeah, I promise I can give you the love that you want. Can you tell me the truth? 'Cause I'm longing for you, girl. I need to know what's on your mind. There's no reason to choose, 'cause I'm falling for you, girl. Only gets better when you're pouring down on me. I just want you to know when I look in your eyes, all I need is only you. Can you stay by my side into the seasons? I'll give you the love that you want. Can you tell me the truth? 'Cause I'm longing for you, girl. I need to know what's on your mind. There's no reason to choose, 'cause I'm falling.
Would you like the menu for dessert or you go for meal? Okay.
Can I see? Awesome. From Monday, one day, one days. Sarah. Thank you so much.
It's so cute.
I'll get the tiramisu. Yeah. Thank you.
Faut lever boîte, non? Elle va y coller dans cette là.
Là, moi, mais tiramisu à Jésus, quel est ça tiramisu qui est coupé l'ombre?
Et tout ça que c'est en Italie, oui, maintenant.
There's no reason to choose, 'cause I'm falling for you, girl. Only gets better when you're pouring down on me. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Wait, if you're gonna take a picture, let's take out this ugly ass towel. Okay, aesthetic queen. Hey babes, how you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. So today is very exciting. I'm going to this new museum. I've never been before, and it's in the downtown area in Place Ville-Marie. I'm super excited, so we'll see. So I just finished my makeup. Let's take a closer look. I love it. Very simple, natural, the same product that I use pretty much all the time. That is the look, so let's go get ready. And do you notice anything different about me? Take a minute. It's the bob. The bob is back. And also yesterday I got my nails done. I went for a fiery red. Really love it. I kept the square shape, really cute. I'm going to get dressed and then I'll catch up when we get there.
어지럽기만 해 이 많은 손들에 그렇게 오는 거야 너의 시선은 깜빡이는 눈이 내게 입 맞추네 언제 그랬냐는데 내 앞에 다가와 Oh 틱톡 틱톡 눈을 굴려보네 또 쳐다보네 볼 듯 안 보일 듯 똑하늘 보네 날 담기엔 이 밤이 너무 잘 Baby, I'm just sick of all these empty conversations. I don't understand your testing me. And all this hesitating got me losing patience. No, there ain't no need to lie, we'll see eye to eye. Girl, tell me what you need, baby, honestly. I can see you're so done with this party. This ain't no jealousy, just need you next to me. Cause we ain't got every night to get naughty, yeah. You know, I've been losing all control. Time is running, I don't wanna know. Just tell me what it feels like. I love it from your head to toe. We be turning up the Fahrenheit. Ain't got no reason not to waste time, waste time. Got me working on my appetite. Loving your summer fever waistline, waistline. So baby, do that, just tell me what you need. Baby, do that, we'll play this on repeat. So baby, do that, girl, you a masterpiece. Baby, do that, just tell me what you need, yeah. Every time I hear your symphony, inhibition, I fall like domino what you need. You know what you're here for. Imagination, they running wild. Girl, tell me what you need, baby, honestly. I can see you're so done with this part. control. I don't wanna know. Just tell me what it feels like. I love it from your head to toe. We be turning up the Fahrenheit. Ain't got no reason not to waste time, waste time. Got me working on my appetite.
So we're still on the hunt for new denims, currently at Uniqlo, and I picked up 2 pairs. This one, which is from the men's section, and then this one from the women's section. I don't really like how the woman fits on me, and I don't like the length. Yeah, I don't like this, and I don't like how it fits. It's giving me a camel toe. Yeah, not my favorite. On to the next one. So I got these jeans from the men's section. When I tell you the fit, so nice, and I love the dark wash, and it's so long. So this is perfect. Yeah, and they're comfortable too. I also found this really beautiful red sweater. It's like a crew neck. I just wrapped it around my neck because I don't feel like taking off my turtleneck because my makeup and all that. But it's currently on sale for $49.90. It was originally $59. So I think I'm gonna get this. It's so pretty, and I'm trying to incorporate more colors into my wardrobe with these jeans to fit. So yeah, that's how it looks. I don't think I'm gonna get the men one that I just tried on. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna check Walmart because I just remember 2 years ago I got some really nice vintage Levi's 501, 512, and some vintage Wrangler jeans from Walmart. Yo, this coat is so heavy. This is from H&M premium section. If I don't find anything, I'm definitely gonna get this one. But I'm getting the sweater today. Let's go take some outfit pictures.